Good morning, students. As we are discussing pair of linear equations in two variables, third chapter of class 10, and in the previous video we have started exercise 3.3 and we have completed first question. Okay, so now we will start second question of exercise 3.3. So second question is solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. Okay, so in exercise 3.3 we have started substitution method, so we will solve this question by substitution method. Okay, so there are two system of linear equations of two variable are given. First is 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and second one is 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Okay, so first we will solve these two system of linear equations and we will get value of x and y. Okay, and after that we will put the value of x and y in y equals to mx plus 3 and we will get value of m. ओके, हमको इसमें m की वैल्यू निकालनी है, तो पहले हम x और y की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24 equations. Okay, so given equations are, okay, so first is 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Let us consider this is first equation. Second one is 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and let us consider this is second equation. So as I told you in the previous video, in substitution method, first we calculate or express the value of one variable in terms of other variable by taking any equation from the system of linear equation. Okay, so I'm taking first equation from equation 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Okay, so 2x equals to 11 minus 3y. Okay, and x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, here 2 is with multiplication sign. Okay, got it? So x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. So this is third equation. Okay, so now put x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2 in equation 2. Okay, so as I told you, when we get the value of one variable in terms of other variable, after that we will put that value in the another equation. Means second equation is 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Okay, so 2. So what is the value of x? That is 11 minus 3y upon 2. So 11 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, minus 4y equals to minus 24. Okay, so 2 is cancelled by 2 and 11 minus 3y minus 4y equals to minus 24. 11 minus 3y minus 4y, that is 7y. ऐड करेंगे 3y minus 3y minus 4y को, then it will become minus 7y equals to minus के 24. Okay, so minus 7y equals to minus 24 and 11 has positive sign. 11 पे क्या साइन है? प्लस का. Okay, so here it will go with negative sign, so minus 11. Got it? So minus 7y equals to minus 24 minus 11, that is minus 35, and minus is cancelled by minus, and y equals to 35 upon 7, and 7 5 ja 35, and y equals to 5. Okay, so now we got the value of one variable. Okay, so y equals to 5. So now we will calculate value of x. After that, what do we do? Now we put the value of y equals to 5 in equation 3. Okay, you can put in 1 or 2 also, we will get same answer. Okay, but if we put in third, we already have value of x in terms of y. Okay, so on putting y equals to 5 in equation, that is 3. Okay, so equation is x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. So x equals to 11 minus 3 multiply by y means 5 upon 2, and x equals to 11 minus 3 5 ja 15, minus 15 upon 2, minus 15 plus 11, that is minus 4 upon 2, and 2 2 ja 4. So x equals to minus 2. Okay, so now we got the value of x minus 2 and value of y is 5. Okay, so now we will calculate value of m. Okay, so on putting x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 5, okay, in equation y equals to mx plus 3. okay, जैसा कि मैंने बताया था, आफ्टर गेटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ x and y, we will put the value of x and y in the given equation y equals to mx plus 3. okay, so y is 5, so 5 equals to m multiply by minus 2 plus 3. okay, 5 equals to minus 2m plus 3. okay, and 5 minus 3 equals to minus 2m. okay, so 2 equals to minus 2m, and m equals to 2 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2, m equals to minus 1. okay, so what is the value of m? That is minus 1. So now come to the next question. So question number 3 is, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. okay, so there are 6 bird problems in question number 3. So we have to solve these questions by substitution method. okay, so second question of question number 3 is, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, find them. okay, so the larger of two supplementary. So first, what is supplementary angle? So supplementary angle are those angles if the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. okay, so these angles are called supplementary angles. okay, so supplement angles इसमें दिए हैं. After that, smaller angle exceed by 18 degree means जो larger angle है वो smaller angle से 18 degree बड़ा है. okay, so let we don't know what is the larger angle and what is the smaller angle. So let the smaller angle B equals to x degree, the larger angle B equals to y degree. Okay, so x according to question, according to the question, so x plus y equals to 180. Okay, so as I told you, the sum of supplementary angles is equals to 180. तो सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल वन एक्स है, सेकेंड वन वाई है, तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 180. ओके, सम ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ओके, so this is first equation. In second equation it is saying that larger angle is 18 degree larger than smaller angle. Okay, so if I write x equals to y, okay, so which one is larger angle? That is y. So x is smaller angle, so if we want x is equals to y, so we should add 18 in the smaller angle. बताया था मैंने कि हम हमेशा जो ऐड करते हैं वो स्मॉलर में करते हैं इक्वल करने के लिए. टाइम्स दिया तो मल्टीप्लाई भी किस में करेंगे? स्मॉलर में करेंगे. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट एक्स माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू -80. दिस इज सेकेंड इक्वेशन. वाई को इधर लेके जाएंगे, देन वाई गो विद नेगेटिव साइन एंड हेयर 18 has positive sign, so that's why it will go with negative sign, -80. Okay, so again we will do same thing. We will calculate the value of x and y with the help of substitution method. So here I am expressing the value of y in terms of x. In the previous questions we are doing that value of x in terms of y. Okay, so from equation 1, so x plus y equals to 180, y equals to 180 minus x. This is third equation. Now we will put value of y in second equation. On putting y equals to 180 minus x in second equation. Okay, so second equation is this. So x minus y is 180 minus x equals to -80. Okay, this sign is negative sign and 180 minus x, this is the value of y in terms of x. So x minus 180 plus minus multiply minus, that is plus x equals to -18. Okay, so 2x, x plus x, 2x minus 180 equals to -18. 2x equals to -18 plus 180. Okay, so 2x equals to, now subtract 18 from 180. Okay, so 10, 170, 162. 162 is remaining. So x equals to 162 upon 2. So 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja So now we got value of x. Okay, so value of x equals to 81 degree. Okay, so now we got value of x, that is 81 degree. Now we will put value of x in equation third. Okay, so this is equation third, y equals to 180 minus x. Okay, so on putting x equals to 81 degree in equation 3. Okay, so y equals to 180 minus 81 degree, then y equals to 99. Okay, so a smaller angle is 81 degree and larger angle is equals to 99 degree. Okay, so as I told you, we can calculate the value of x in terms of y, or either value of y in terms of x. Okay, that's why in this question I have calculated the value of y in terms of x, but in the previous question we have calculated the value of x in terms of y. Okay, now come to the next question. So next question is question number 4th of question number 3rd. Question number 3rd का fourth part. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Okay, so there is a taxi and it has two types of charges. First is fixed charges and second is the charges for the distance covered. Okay, for a distance of 10 km the charge paid is rupees 105. 10 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस के लिए तो चार्ज पे करना पड़ता है, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 105. एंड फॉर अ जर्नी ऑफ 15 किलोमीटर द चार्ज पेड इज 155. 15 किलोमीटर्स के लिए जो चार्ज पे करना पड़ता है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 155 रुपीज़. ओके, व्हाट आर द फिक्स्ड चार्जेज एंड द चार्जेज पर किलोमीटर. Okay, so we have to calculate the fixed charges and charges per kilometer as it is given in the question. Taxi is taking two types of charges. First is fixed charge, second is charges per kilometer. Okay, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? In the last it is asking that we have to calculate how much a person will have to pay charges if he go टू 25 किलोमीटर. अगर वो 25 किलोमीटर जाता है तो उसको कितना चार्ज पे करना होगा. ओके, सो वी डोंट नो व्हाट आर द फिक्स्ड चार्जेस एंड चार्जेस पर किलोमीटर. सो लेट अस वी अज्यूम, सो लेट द फिक्स्ड चार्ज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज एक्स. ओके, द पर किलोमीटर चार्जेज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज वाई. ओके, so we don't know what is the fixed charge and what is the per kilometer charge, so we have assumed fixed charge is x rupees and per kilometer charge is y rupees. Okay, now according to the question, according to the question. Okay, so in the first scenario it is saying a person goes to 10 kilometers. Okay, and he paid 105 rupees. Okay, so total amount is 105 and he goes 10 kilometer. So x plus 10y equals to 105. ओके, फिर फिक्स चार्ज है x रुपीज़, ये तो है ही है. आफ्टर द पर किलोमीटर चार्ज है y रुपीज़. ओके, एंड हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर दैट पर्सन गोज, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 10 किलोमीटर. सो दैट्स वाई we write x plus 10y equals to 105. Total amount is 105 rupees. Okay, in second scenario, a person goes, that is 15 kilometers, so x plus 15y, and he paid equals to 155 rupees. Okay, this is equation second. So now we got two equations, so we will solve this question by substitution method, as it is saying in the question also. So taking equation, I am taking first equation, that is x plus 10y equals to 105. Okay, and x equals to 105 minus 10y. This is third equation. मैंने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से x प्लस 10y को 105 से x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर ली इन टर्म्स ऑफ y, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10y. ओके, नाउ ऑन पुटिंग x इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस 10y इन इक्वेशन 2. ओके, सेकेंड इक्वेशन में आई एम पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो x इज 105. आई एम राइटिंग वेल फर्स्ट फुल इक्वेशन, x प्लस 15y इक्वल्स टू 155 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x is 105 माइनस 10y. सो 105 माइनस 10y प्लस 15y equals to 155. Okay, so the value is 105 equals to minus 10y plus 15y. Okay, this is equals to plus 5y equals to 155 and 5y equals to 155 minus 105. 105 को मैं इधर ले गया. ओके, RHS में LHS से. So 5y equals to, if we subtract 105 from 155, remaining is 50, and y equals to 15 upon 5. 5 times 50, and the value of y equals to 10. Now we got value of y, that is equals to 10. Now we will put a value of y equals to 10 in equation 3, that is x equals to 105 minus 10y. On putting y equals to 10 in equation 3. Okay, so x equals to 105 minus 10 multiply by 10. So x equals to 105. 10 times 100. Okay, so x equals to 5. So we got value of x, that is 5, and value of y is 10. So in the starting we have assumed that x is equals to fixed charge and y is equals to per kilometer charge. So per kilometer charge is equals to 10 rupees and fixed charge is equals to 5 rupees. So fixed charges is equals to 5 rupees. Per kilometer charges is equals to 10 rupees. Okay, and now we have to calculate that how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. Okay, so charges for 25 kilometer journey. Okay, so we can write x plus 25y. Okay, so taxi charges is equals to x plus 25y, and the value of x is 5 plus 25 multiply value of y is 10. X so fixed charge था, and y is the per kilometer charges, and a person is going 25 kilometer. That's why we write 25y. Okay, so 5 plus 250. Okay, and 250 plus 5, that is 255 rupees. Okay, so if a person goes to 25 kilometer, then he has to pay rupees 255. Okay, so please solve remaining question of the exercise. Okay, so there are 4 word problems are remaining. First one and third one and fifth one and last is sixth one. Okay, so to solve remaining question. Thank you. Hope you understood all the question. If you have any query, then please comment.